Digital marketing. Digital marketing goes well beyond using emails, the internet, and mobile apps to promote products. From a communication perspective, digital marketing is about building and managing customer relations across various digital channels and platforms. Communication, as we know it, is constantly evolving. This is primarily being driven by the amount of time consumers spend on the web researching, reviewing, and making purchases online. With mobile penetration at an all-time high, online brand visibility is a must. More importantly, social media has now become the new convergence point for nearly all brands and businesses as the race to reach and lock in as many fans and followers intensify. Matrix is in the thick of this dynamic phenomenon and has the tools and the skills to give your business the edge. Digital marketing tips. Did you know that over 80% of consumers today use online searches to do research before making a purchase decision? For those of you who are relatively new to digital marketing, we have a few handy tips to help you get started. When was the last time you updated your website? If you haven't done it recently, do it now. Your website needs to be mobile friendly. Add a business blog to your website, keep your content fresh and original and share it via your social media platforms. Shareable content ranks higher in search results. Monitor your social media sites and respond to comments and questions as soon as possible.